Question number 1.
She dash going to the market now. A is B, R, C, M.
Question number 2.
They dash playing football yesterday. A was B, where C is.
Question number 3.
He dashed a new book last week. A by B, bought C buying.
Question number 4.
I dash never seen such a beautiful place. A has B, have C, had.
Question number 5.
The dog dash barking loudly at night. A where B was C, R.
Question number 6.
You dash work harder to pass the exam. A should be, shall see, might.
Question number 7.
They dash friends since childhood. A are B have been C is.
Question number 8.
The train dash at 7 o'clock tomorrow. A leave B leaves C leaving.
Question number 9.
I dash my homework before dinner. A finish B finished C finishing.
Question number 10.
He dash not like spicy food. A do B does C did.
Question number 11.
We dash waiting for you since morning. A has been EB, have been C, R.
Question number 12.
She dash a car if she had enough money. A buy B would buy C, bought.
Question number 13.
The sun dash in the east. A rise, B rises, C rising.
Question number 14.
I dash tennis every Sunday. A play B plays, C played.
Question number 15.
He dash very tired after work yesterday. A where B was C is.
Question number 16.
We dash meet him tomorrow. A will be, shall see. Either A or B.
Question number 17.
My brother dash his shoes before entering the room. A removes, B removed, C removing.
Question number 18.
If it rains, we dash stay at home. A will be, shall see, might.
Question number 19.
The teacher asked us to dash quietly. A, sit, B, sat, C, sitting.
Question number 20.
The baby dash crying loudly. A is B, R, C, were.
Question number 21.
They dash gone to Paris last summer. A has B, had C, have.
Question number 22.
He dashed to school every day. A, go B, goes C, going.
Question number 23.
I dashed him yesterday at the park. A saw B, C, C, seen.
Question number 24.
We dash finished our lunch before you arrived. A, have B, had C, has.
Question number 25.
She dashed reading a novel when I called her. A was B, were C, is.
Question number 26.
They dash not agree with your idea. A, do B, does C, did.
Question number 27.
I dash never forget this moment. A, shall be, will see, both A and B.
Question number 28.
He dash speak English fluently. A, can be, could see, might.
Question number 29.
She dash already left when we reached. A, has B, had C, have.
Question number 30.
We dash at the station for an hour. A, wait B, waited C, waiting.
Question number 31.
The boy dash running in the ground. A is B, R, C, was.
Question number 32.
I dash like to drink tea. A, would be, should see, might.
Question number 33.
The books dash on the table. A is B, R, C, was.
Question number 34.
The girl dash singing a song. A, where B is C, R.
Question number 35.
We dash meet our teacher yesterday. A meet B met C meeting.
Question number 36.
They dash studying hard for the exam. A was B were C are.
Question number 37.
The bird dash flying in the sky. A is B are C were.
Question number 38.
She dash not completed her homework yet. A has B have C had.
Question number 39.
I dash go if you want. A shall B should see might.
Question number 40.
The boy dashed to school on foot. A goes B, go, C, gone.
Question number 41.
The car dashed at high speed yesterday. A run B, ran C, running.
Question number 42.
I dash him tomorrow morning. A, see B, saw, C, will see.
Question number 43.
They dash completed the project on time. A has B have C had.
Question number 44.
The baby dash sleeping when I entered. A is B was C were.
Question number 45.
He dash been living here for 5 years. A has B have C had.
Question number 46.
We dash playing cricket yesterday evening. A was B were C are.
Question number 47.
She dashed to the park every evening. A goes, B go, C going.
Question number 48.
The flowers dash blooming in the garden. A is B R C was.
Question number 49.
I dash speak French when I was young. A can be, could see, might.
Question number 50.
The teacher dash explaining the lesson clearly. A is B R C was.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.